So now what we're going to do is measure length of your sleeves. So in this case, I don't want it to be too short. I don't want it too long either. So I would want it to be up here. So it's like a couple inches above my elbow.
Turn your shirt inside out and flatten the sleeves, making sure there's no wrinkles. Starting from the seam on your shoulder, let's measure your desired sleeve length. Then add 1 inch allowance and an additional 1/2 inch. Move your sleeves, making sure it aligns with the horizontal grid on your mat. You want to create a 90-degree angle when you cut your sleeve. Position your ruler so that it will align with the horizontal grid of your mat. The width of the sleeve should be the same as the width of the second chalk line. To fix that, fold the sleeve on the second chalk line. Mark the seam on the folded end. The width of the sleeve should now match the width where you put the mark on the second chalk line. Draw a line from the mark all the way out to the sleeve. Draw another line from the mark to the lower seam of your armhole. Now you're going to stitch where you draw the line. I did a running stitch, and you can reinforce it with a zigzag, or if you have a serger, you can use a serger. The stitch that I used to reinforce it was the stitch number 19 of the Brother 400. Cut the excess fabric. Now let's go to the ironing board. Fold the sleeve on the first chalk line and then iron it. Next, fold the sleeve on the second chalk line and iron it. Now let's sew the seam. There you have it. If you learned something from this video, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.